Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the first 2023 Ford Ranger to arrive here in an XLT trim and powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency, coming with running boards down below, as well as the FX4 Off-Road Package, giving you off-road suspension and skid plates, and in the new Azure Grey exterior color. Well, let's take a look inside. Looking into the back seat, we have seating for 3 that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal some storage bins underneath. In the middle, you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as having 2 USBs and a 110-volt power outlet. And this vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your truck. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip 1 and 2 information, fuel economy, truck information such as your off-road status and power distribution, driver assistance features and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. You do also have your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stock. And moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. Digital climate controls with dual zone front climate, Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Moving down, you have your hazards, and then your climate or media controls and your physical climate controls, again with dual zone front climate. Then you have 2 12-volt power outlets and 2 USBs down here. And then you have some of your controls here, such as your tow haul mode, traction control shut off, locking rear differential, and trail control, which is sort of like cruise control for slower speeds out in rougher terrain. You have your 4x4 selector and terrain mode selector for normal, grass, gravel, snow, mud, ruts, and sand. You have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, parking brake, 2 cup holders, and your center compartment / armrest, which has a decent amount of space in there. And before I forget, you do also have a manually opening rear window, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.